Hey, what's up everyone? This is Scruff the Fox here, and welcome back to Scruff's Fox Den. Yeah. In this video, we're actually going to be doing something quite a wee bit different, but it's still progress that needs to be done. So, I have found myself unable to kill any of these animals. I don't know why, I just have some sort of attachment to them. So, I'm going to have to survive off of chickens. Now, a while back off camera, I know I've shown this before, I made an egg farm. And as you can see, it's been pretty successful. So today I'm going to actually be making a chicken farm. Now this design is, I think, my own. It relies off of entity cramming, so it's not the most efficient, but it'll be walking away in the background type of thing. Let me just quickly sleep. So yeah. This will probably be a pretty quick and simple video. I may be doing a wee bit of changing around from how I did it on my main world, because, well, on my main world I made the area bigger than it needed to be, so yeah. So, first things first, gonna take the shovel. Okay, so the dispenser is gonna be around here, so I'm gonna kind of empty out this little area a bit. But yeah, like I said in the last video I uploaded, and I said that I was gonna be trying to upload on a schedule again. I know I failed last time, but this time I'm not gonna fail. Okay, there we go. Now, I'm gonna put this... right here. Oh, I guess here. Oops. And off camera, I am working on making an easier way to get to the village through the nether, because as y'all seen last video, it is a mess, to say the least. Okay, I want the eggs to shoot out to around here, I think. That will probably do. And then, I need a sign. Changing up the design here. Now this ain't gonna be an efficient farm by any means. This is just gonna be a little passive farm that's supposed to help you get passive chicken. Wait, why am I going past my storage room? Okay, let me think. Sign. It's a sign from God. Okay. Now I'm gonna put this here. Just in... yeah, I think it'll be fine. So then I'm gonna have it basically take the chickens over... oh wow. Here? Okay. Where they will fall down here. Probably gonna have to build up a little thing. If I... should I worry about putting this? Yeah, I'm gonna worry about putting this. Let's get wood. Oak. Not gonna worry about putting this too much, but might as well make it somewhat look good. While I'm kind of in a building mood, I may try to build a little shack in this video for that if I feel like it. There we go. just kind of do a wee bit of dish. Okay, well, it really matters if I... Okay, well, and need more wood. Okay, then. Okay, video's still going. Okay. Here we go. Boom, 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 boom. Wood. There we go. But yeah. Nothing much interesting has been happening as of late. Pretty boring around here. Except that we got in like 8 inches of snow. So we've been dealing with that. Okay. So I'm going to be making the collection area for all the cram chickens around here. Okay, so this is where they're going to end up. So I need to place the chest and hopper here. Then take a hopper, put it, I said put it there. Put that there, and then I'm gonna put some transparent blocks over so I can still access that. Okay. Think. Oh. Yeah, let's... What do I want to talk about? Okay, that should be good enough. So that should be filling with eggs now, yep. Okay. Okay, so... Actually, theoretically... Let me try something. Bucket. Can I just do... Moving the sign from God. Do this. I can. I'd have to move the killing chamber. I think that may be better. So it'd now be here. Okay, well. Time to undo walk. Luckily I got plenty of glass, but it still sucks having to break it. Okay, let's fill this up. I'm just gonna fill it with dirt. So it's gonna be going here. So I'm not claiming this is a good design for a chicken farm. Not at all. So if you make this and you're upset at the results, I never said it was good. I just said that was a chicken farm. There we go. Okay, put this back together. There we go. Now as chickens slowly kind of just come into here, they'll be just kind of fall into here and then boom. Entity cramming will hopefully take care of them. Now, for the way to do the thing and power that. I know, very technical redstone knowledge that I have, isn't it? Okay, so there it is. So let me think for a second here. Think. So for the type of redstone clock that I'm making, so that would be this block, and then this block. And this redstone clock is not mine. I don't know who it originated from, but let's look. Yep. Oh. Guess I need to stop them from. There we go. That's not a beautiful sound, I will tell you that. But, hey, it works. Okay, let's quickly go to sleep. Okay. Only at 12 minutes so far, wow. Now, this design also makes a lot of eggs as well. So, on my main world, I just have the eggs being destroyed, but on this one, I may try to find a way to funnel the eggs back to the main chest, filter them out, and funnel them back to the main chest using an item sorter, but yeah. That's a future me thing, so. So as soon as one of these chickens kind of grows up, entity cramming will kick in, and then boom. I'm gonna probably quickly gather more sand so then I can just cover this up. It is a loud farm though, which is the downside with it, unfortunately. How about I do this? Boom. Boom, boom, boom. I'll use this sand. Okay, there we go. If y'all know any better chicken farms, I would highly recommend going with those ones instead. Since this one fully relies on kind of you having an egg, like, kind of relies heavily on entity cramming, which already I'm kind of dealing with an issue of some of the chickens dying as babies, so meaning that I don't get anything from them, but I'll survive. Okay, so let's head in and smelt some of this into glass, and then I can just, yeah. There we go, and I am. Okay. I'll just smelt this all into glass. Let's tidy up my inventory. Besides for these, I'm pretty sure everything else is in my item. It's in all here, so. And the chests. I took the chests out of here. I'll just put those in here. Okay, there we go. Let's let Coppery do it. There we go. He gets to have some fun. I actually have seen a good design that I actually use on my main world for a simple item golem item sorter, which I really like it. May not be the quickest, but hey, it works. Which I actually thought about using in here, but I would have to find the original creator. The parents now. Well, I'll just leave them be. Don't think this is... Oh wait, yes it is, okay. 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 So now that that is done... Oh yeah, apparently in the new update, they're changing the designs of the baby animals. They look more cute. So yeah. It wouldn't be on my priority list to do that if I was them, but hey. Their game, it's a nice change anyway, so can't complain too much. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab all these. And there. There we go. Slow farm. So now I really don't have to worry about food because alongside this, which I honestly haven't harvested in a while, so I probably should, and anything else I have laying around, I basically have infinite food. Oh, hey, you tried to escape. How dare you? Okay, I don't remember if glass is still in the system. I don't think so. Okay. Okay. Wait, Hopper's on in the system either. Probably should put that in there myself. Don't know what he'll do if it's not in the system. Okay. I think leads are, right? Yes, they are. Okay. Itchy. Got itches. Okay, there we go. So, next thing up for business. Why not make a little shack? Oh. Okay. Come on, really? Okay. Let's make a little shack for my thing. My cobblestone generator. This is my cobblestone generator. I know y'all have seen it before. But it's a simple little thing. Simple redstone. Simply pushes it into place. No pop on and off switch, just kind of does that. Okay. So, why not make it kind of lean into cobblestone a bit? Kind of make this look like a little house. Oh yeah, and on my mind, I put stairs. I'll put the door there. Do dish. I think I am gonna cover up the lava. And I think I might get some smooth stone for the floors. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. But for now, let's just kind of get it built. go. Don't really see any point in putting windows on this. I may take some logs and put them in the corners. Just kind of fit with what I got going on over there. For now, I'm going to try to get the basic shape. And I'll worry about kind of the floors and stuff maybe in a different video, or I'll do it off camera. I'll figure it out. Okay. There we go. The shack has begun. Let's... Yep. Yep. Yep, yep, yep. 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 There we go. Oh yeah, the story that I've told you all about, me and a friend are actually going to be turning it into a webtoon soon. We've kind of been laying things out and figuring things out. And yeah. I'm excited because it's one of my stories that I've been working on and I'm really proud of. But I'm also kind of scared because it's kind of putting a story that I've been writing for a while and putting it out there for the first time. So yeah. There we go. The shack has begun. Probably get more materials off camera, but yeah. Little staircase down to the mines. Actually, what I may do is... No, here, let me do something. I'm gonna make this... I make this kind of go... out... like this, and around the entrance of the mine. Something like that. I could probably use this as a little simple storage area of like, you know what? I think I'll do that. And then I'll make the entrance maybe right here. Oh, yeah, I'll give myself 2 entrances. Yeah, I think that works. 1 entrance here, 1 entrance there. Okay. Hey, I actually thought something out. I used my brain. Yay. Okay. Okay, let's head to sleep. Oh. Okay. Sleep. Still don't know where that allay was hidden, because I know one of the allays that I had came back recently after I went to the Nether, so somehow it went to the Nether and then found its way back when I was around. So yeah. Okay. You know what? How about we end this? Well, not really end it, but let's see what I can get on my pickaxe. Ooh, unbreaking one, but I really need like an XP farm. Maybe next video? I don't know. I can look up some XP farm ideas. I was gonna do a Pokemon video for this one, but then I remembered how much I would have to do to set it up. And given the fact that it's been a minute, I didn't want to have to worry about figuring all that out right now. Okay. But yeah, I'm thinking that I could use this as a little storage room for any stone and all that I get from down there, so that I don't end up flooding my storage system in there. So, I think this may actually work as a good idea. Started the video making this little chicken farm. Ended it. Oh, do I want to end it here? I don't know. Oh yeah, let's get some seeds for try to grow up some of these chickens. harvest the fields for the first time in forever. Actually, yeah, it looks about there. Okay. There we go. Got some wheat for food. Got some seeds for feeding the animals. For growing the chickens, I should say. There we go. Wait, let me double check. Okay, yeah, I think I should be good to do something like that. Now I just need a trapdoor. Watch, within my time of running away and then going back, I would have had a chicken grow up. Is that not in the system? What? Where did you go? What? Okay, that must not be in the system. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's grab trapdoor. Because I want to show y'all it walk before I... That was close. Yeah, it takes a lot of seeds to grow up a chicken. Really? Said I wanted to show how this walks, and then you grow up, and it doesn't walk. Really? I'm disappointed. Oh, there we go. And there we go, a chicken. But yeah, simple little chicken farm. Pretty beginner friendly if you ask me. So yeah. Oh, clogs are in the system, aren't they? Okay, there we go. Okay, well, a little bit of a shorter video, but I got a few things done. Started working on that. Finished my chicken farm. My two pet chickens had a child. So, actually, do I have a name tag at all? No, I do not. Okay, well, that sucks. Map unknown. Map unknown. Unknown map. Okay. Oh, you give me that. There we go. Wait, what? I guess it was in the system and I just didn't realize it. Okay. Okay, well, you know what? Wait. And okay. Well, I think this has been a pretty successful video. Got some things done around the base. Pretty short but simple video. Nothing really special about it. Next video, I'll probably continue walking on that. And yeah. Well then. Boom, 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 boom. So, this has been Scruff the Fox. And I hope y'all stay safe, stay warm because of this massive winter storm that, at least for us, is going on. So stay warm. And yeah. Hope y'all have a good day. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell icon to get notified anytime I upload a video. And yeah. Bye, everyone.